Shabafethu sanibona niyaphila ngimumbi groot kune event efana nixoxele ngayo but yazini asiqalise barber shop ngigunde ngibe muhle bese siyixoxa ke le ndaba yale event but izobise Tuzuma ngomhla ka 6 April it's gonna be late bafethu ngizonichazela awuthi ngithi show barber shop hayi ngibe muhle kuqala angikhona ukuniface kahle yazi nginje Namathizeni yebo Thanda kanjani
Give in to the freedom from within
Njengamanje ngila eFashion Cafe 6 April iUtendala Classic Music Experience izobenzeka kule venue ngikuyona esemva kwami njengamanje ngizomkhombisa yona ukuthi how decent it is, good food, good platter, drinks, everything. So injani indawo Youth Endala Classic Music Experience 6 April iGeneral kube ku50 rand, iVIP kube ku100 rand and then iCooler Box kube ku50 rand as well. Ulindele uDJ Msoco Mr Classic, ulindele uDJ Music, ulindele noDJ Castro. Those guys they are mafia old school classic music, strictly old school classic music. Please guys, no gqom classic music experience. Ama old school lovers siyaba invite bonke ama Grootman nam sister zwakala nibona indawo ngaphakathi how decent it is. Fashion Cafe
hit the ground we're rolling round and round chest upon chest
Shabafethu sesingaphakathi eFashion Cafe uDJ Msoco lo Mr Classic. I'll be the DJ of the day. Ngizobe nginiroka ngeold school. Mavusana the owner of the place esobe sostekena indawo yakhe uzochaza kabanzi about the Fashion Cafe a little bit for abantu abama old school lovers, abantu be class, abantu be standard. Ngiyasibona na abachazela Mavusana.
Bafethu sanibona niyaphila uvusi eFashion Cafe lana into eyenzakalayo sine event ngomhla ka 6 which is a nice event for abantu abakhulile ukuthi bafike bazoenjoy la bajabule kanye nathi. Fortunately ke bafike kahle ngoba sine menu entsha yethu la esizama ukuthi iphushe ehambisana nama drinks bese iphusha lapha TikTok. Follow us on TikTok at Fashion Cafe 36 Tuzuma yeah sure, just follow us there, then you'll find us on TikTok. Everything is gonna be there. Promoter kuyona mostly isikhathi esiningi for yona le event le and other events coming. Indoda le umsoco sobe sisebenza nayo ku wonke ama events. We trying ukuthi senze lento ama Sundays ukuthi ibe mnandi eTuzuma ngoba zimbalwa indawo ezinendawo emnandi yabona inobumnandi obuningi eTuzuma ngamasonto. So now siyazama ukuthi siyenze ibe mnandi ngamasonto, si invite bonke abantu bafike and have fun. Siyabonga guys, thank you.
Bafethu DJ Msoco Mr Classic, all old school lovers siyad invite abafethu ama Grootman nama sister. Danko.
Ethara.